Welcome to my life, giving you a little daily vlog. I also got a new GoPro camera, so I hope you guys like it. But this is what I do for work, okay? So I am on a rental boat right now. I am taking it currently to the fuel dock, and then I'm going to fill it up, go back, get some happy customers that are on vacation out on the boat, and send them on their way. I'm gonna do a contract with them. I do the safety, I show them everything on the boat. Over here's your life jackets. How do I point to it? First aid kit, flares, fire extinguisher, boat registration, Coast Guard throwable, all that fun stuff. And I just kind of wanted to show you guys what it's all about. It's a beautiful day, it's freezing down here. I even got gloves, but I brought two left-handed gloves like an idiot. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this little daily vlog. 2025, let's go! And another thing that I wanted to say real quick was last night I went live at the hockey game. The Wi-Fi or connection was horrible, so I'm sorry about the video. I just wanted to show kind of like my friends, what we were up to. And yeah, so sorry about that video. It was very loud and the connection was horrible. But here's my breakfast, Premier Protein. I drink one of these every single morning. Hope you guys like my History Hat channel. One of our clients is the CFO of History Channel, and he brings us a whole bunch of merch. But I drink one of these every morning for my breakfast, and I have a meal prep of chicken, broccoli and carrots, and rice for lunch. And then dinner is always something different. But I just thought I'd throw that out there. Okay, we're getting closer to the fuel dock. This right here, everybody, is the ice cream boat. Check her out. So she's gonna go sell ice cream at the island, and she's an amazing lady. That was where my brother had his pizza boat. So just wanted to show you guys. Check out those flamingos. Hey Brian, what do you want to tell the subscribers?
Subscribe to Nick and tell Nick to get me as his videographer.
He's gonna be my videographer.
Tell everybody how awesome he is.
You say something nice about
No, I
me.
don't like being on camera.
Okay guys, so I got all the boats out for the day. I am now going to make some lunch. Let me show you my meal prep, and then I'm gonna show you guys the new camera, which is amazing. Here we go. So this is basically our hotel room or our office where I work. I always come in here, heat up my lunch, and then I go sit at the bar and talk to all of my friends that work at the hotel. Now we're two separate companies. One, like, we're the boat rentals, fishing charters, sunset cruises, dolphin excursions, all that stuff. But we also have the hotel here, two separate different companies, but we are like a third party type of thing. But we get a little suite, and it has everything. I mean, look at all this. Props, batteries, everything we would need to basically fix a boat. I'm not the best mechanic, but I can do some stuff. And then this freezer here is actually for our pizza boat, which you guys have seen my other video. My brother actually built the pizza boat and then worked on it for a couple days and then sold it to my business partner. So now we do offshore charters, backwater charters, nearshore fishing charters. We do sightseeing, dolphin excursions, boat rentals, basically everything you could want on the water. So if you're ever in Southwest Florida, hit me up. I'm your man. Okay, that's it. Time to eat this lunch. My, look at that. We're about to eat. Ta-da! That's actually a carrot. I don't know why it looks so ugly. So basically this is what I do almost every single day when I'm working. And I love it. I love making people happy. I love, they're on vacation, they're with their friends, they're with their family. I get to give them a great experience from renting a boat to going out. And I just really enjoy it. So now I'm gonna get my Diet Pepsi, eat some of my food, and then I'm gonna show you guys the camera. So I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Make sure you follow, hit the like button, subscribe, notification bell. I appreciate all of it. Okay, love you guys. Peace. This is my new camera right here, the GoPro 13 Black. Super stoked. Let's see how it works. Wow. Okay, so this is a test of the new camera. I can't wait to see how it's gonna turn out. So far, it has a screen on the front and a screen on the back. It's got multiple different options, 4K, 5K, and all different types of options, whether I want the fisheye camera, the widescreen, all that stuff. How does the quality come out? Do I look crazy? Check out what Brian did, who you met. Look at that. Super stoked. Let's see how this turns out. I love you guys. Tons of travel vlogs and amazing stuff is going to be coming with this. All right, here we go. Okay, so I'm absolutely loving the camera. There is so much stuff I have to learn on this. Even syncing the footage over was a lot to figure out, but I got it all worked out. I hope you guys really enjoy this little day in my life type of vlog. I'm gonna do more of these, especially when I start going more like full time. But now what I'm gonna do is once these boats come back, I'll check them out. I'll help them take their stuff to the car, and then I'll call it a day. I'll wrap it up, clean the boats, and then tonight we're going to a game night at Phil and Jay's house, who were in the hockey game with us. And I think that's about everything. I love you guys very much. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a great day.